Namaste. Subject CA Entrance Exam. The Institute of Chartered Accounts of India. Paper 3. Business Mathematics, Logical Reasoning and Statistics. One paper, 2 hours, 100 marks. Paduka's MCQ Bank for CACPT. Ratios. Basics. Quantitative aptitude ratios. So problem number 11. Problem number 11. So if A is to B equal to 2 is to 3, B is to C equal to 4 is to 5, and C is to D equal to 6 is to 7, then A is to B is to C is to D is. So how much ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. So answer for this problem, A is to B, so that is A by B equal to 2 by 3. B is to C is B by C equal to 4 is to 5 is 4 by 5. And C is to D, so that is 6 is to 7 ಅಂದರೆ C by D equal to 6 is to 7 is 6 by 7. So A is to B is to C is to D ನ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So here B is 3 and here B is 4 and here C is 5 and here C is 6 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿ. ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇವಾಗ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎ ಬೈ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2 by 3 ಇದೆ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ವಿತ್, ಇವಾಗ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 8 3s 24, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 6 4s ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. 6 4s 24 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So multiply with 8 by 8 equal to 2 8s are 16 divided by 3 8s are 24. So B is 24 ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. A is 16, A equal to 16 and in this B equal to 24. So next B by C equal to 4 by 5. So then ಈ Bನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು 24 ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, so multiply and divided by 6. So 4 6s or 6 4s are 24 and 5 6s are 30. So here B is also 24 and here C is 30. Then in this ratio C by D equal to 6 by 7. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ C is 30 ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 5 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So 6 5s are 30 and 7 5s are 35. So here C equal to 30 and D equal to 35. So ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ A is to B is to C is to D equal to A is 16, B is 24 and C is 30 and D is 35. So this is the answer. So option C is the correct answer. 16 is to 24 is to 30 is to 35 is the answer. Okay. Thank you so much.